How to clear Zoom channel history. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear Zoom channel history easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Zoom and then go to the channel that you want to remove and clear the history of. I'm gonna choose this one. Now go to the top right here on the corner, click on this icon and then go down until you find the more options. Click on more options and then go to clear channel history right here. Click on it and click OK, and you will be able to clear it easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much. See you in the next video.